It's Gianna Lum at Koozie Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto blockchain technology. Happy Thursday, everybody, and happy Juneteenth to everybody in the United States. Today, I have a super duper quick update for the Cardano community. I know a lot of folks might be wondering what's happening with Cardano and Chainlink. There could have been an integration maybe back in 2021, but it still hasn't happened. So today, I want to share a clip from Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson. He finally made a statement. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your research before investing in anything. All right, let's dive into the clip from Charles Hoskinson. Here's the clip.
There seems to be like two factions within Chainlink. So there's the leadership of Chainlink that I'm friends with and I know very well, like Sergey Nazarov. I even have his personal number. And we always get along and we never have any problems. We serve on panels together. And every time we talk, we always say we should do more together. And then there's the business side of Chainlink where we say we'd like to integrate. And they say we'd like to do that too. And then it just never really goes anywhere. And I've offered numerous times to say we will personally spin up a dev team and have that dev team actually do the integration. And they're telling us there's now some sort of like integration library that's on the horizon, similar to like Coinbase with Rosetta, where it's self-serve. And whenever that comes out, then we'll just do that. And then I think we have the integration.
So it seems like we'll eventually get a collaboration between Cardano and Chainlink. But for now, we've got to wait for the integration library. And it does suck that it's the business side of things, not the developer side of things, slowing things down. I am glad though that Charles is friends with the Chainlink team on a personal level. It's really good to fight this crypto tribalism and work together as an entire crypto industry. But for now, the ball's in Chainlink's court to actually get it going. I'm curious to hear your thoughts though. Do you think this will happen sooner rather than later? And what else do you think the ecosystem needs? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoy this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now, the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors. And we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with your friends, share this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.